If you're considering starting a YouTube channel in 2023, use the strategies from this video, because I'm about to share my entire foolproof plan, so grab your notepads and let's get started. Before we jump into the specifics, let's talk about one of the most crucial factors for a successful YouTube channel: consistency. In this fast-paced digital world, being consistent with your uploads is vital. So I will commit to a schedule that works for me, ensuring I can deliver high-quality content without sacrificing my personal life or burning out. But for starters, make sure you post at least one video a week. Now, let's talk about quality. To stand out from the crowd, I would strive to create videos that leave a lasting impact. While it's great to draw inspiration from other successful YouTubers, it's equally important to infuse my own unique style, personality, and creativity into every video. That way, viewers would recognize and appreciate the authenticity I bring to the platform. By consistently uploading at least 1 or 2 high-quality videos per week that match or surpass the competition, your channel is bound to grow. If I were to start a new channel right now, I would also carefully select a niche where videos regularly receive over 100,000 views. Instead of chasing trends or popular niches, I'd focus on something that genuinely excites me. Whether it's cooking, travel, gaming, or even DIY projects, finding a niche that aligns with my passions and expertise would allow me to create content I'm truly passionate about. Remember, a genuine enthusiasm for your niche is contagious and helps build a loyal audience. Additionally, here's a list of high CPM niches that can potentially generate significant revenue per 1,000 views. Keep in mind that there are people interested in various topics, and most of these niches can work well. Choose something that genuinely captivates your interest, then search for it on YouTube and ensure there are regularly uploaded videos with over 100,000 views. Now, let's talk about optimization. To maximize discoverability, I would invest time in understanding my target audience's preferences and perform thorough keyword research. To achieve this, I would highly recommend utilizing a powerful software known as vidIQ. By using tools like vidIQ, I can identify high-demand keywords and strategically incorporate them into my video titles, descriptions, and tags. When uploading new videos, I would use vidIQ to extract keywords from popular videos and incorporate their suggestions into my own video tags. Equally important is the selection of strong video topics. To ensure a well-rounded approach, I would adopt a strategy where half of my video ideas stem from popular content within my niche, while the other half would be based on keyword research using vidIQ. To perform the vidIQ keyword research, simply go to vidIQ, navigate to the Keywords tab, enter your channel's topic, and make sure to sort the results by the highest overall score. By incorporating these suggestions into your video tags, you increase the chances of your content being discovered by a wider audience. Building a backlog of videos is a smart long-term strategy. To truly give your channel a solid opportunity to thrive, I would focus on creating a minimum of 30 engaging videos. Many individuals on YouTube abandon their aspirations after a mere 10 uploads, attributing their lack of success to the platform itself. If your genuine desire is to excel on YouTube, please don't be one of those people. Instead, dedicate yourself to upload at least 30 high-quality videos, and this doesn't include shorts or videos with minimal effort. Remember, it's about quality over quantity, so take your time and deliver valuable content. And now, as I promised, I'm going to show you my entire plan. If you follow this plan, you might be surprised by how quickly your YouTube channel grows and also by how quickly you're able to start generating money from your YouTube channel, so stick with me because I'm going to break down this entire plan. Step 1. The first thing I would do is to choose my niche, and to do that, you will need a sheet of paper where you can write about everything you are interested in and study your behavior to be able to choose your niche. What videos do you watch on YouTube? What videos grab your attention on Instagram, TikTok, or any other social media platform? What do you do in your free time? What are the topics you talk about when you are with friends? I'd really try to think hard about this, because this might be something that I'd run for potentially years into the future. But if you want some niche ideas, you can be inspired by the master list that I presented earlier in this video. Step 2. The first thing I would do after choosing my niche is to understand my audience. Before you post your first video, you'll want to answer these questions first. Who is your channel really for? If you try and reach everybody, you'll end up reaching nobody. What problem does my YouTube channel solve? For your video to be a good one, it must solve a problem, provide value, or create an emotion for your audience. You want to know exactly who you are creating content for in order to understand what content people need. Because if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So make sure you have a plan before starting your YouTube journey. Step 3. Reserve a few hours, in which to deal with everything that means creating the channel. For the name you can use tools such as ChatGPT or Namelix. For the banner and the channel logo you can use Canva or Photopea. And for the channel description you can also use ChatGPT. Step 4. Research on your keywords. Look to see what interests people in your niche. You can use tools like vidIQ, which will tell you exactly how popular a certain topic is and how big the competition is for that topic. When it comes to competition, you also need to do research on your competition. Look to see what titles they have, what tags they use, what their thumbnail looks like, how long their video is and what this video contains. By doing all these things, it will be much easier for you to create a video that will be valuable for your audience. Step 5. Now that you have all the information you need to start creating videos. You start by writing a script, record the voice, then edit the video and finally create the thumbnail. Now, you can do all these things yourself, or you can hire someone from Fiverr or Upwork to do it for you. But if you don't have enough money to create a team and you don't have the time to create videos yourself, you can use a tool like Pictory, which will do all the work for you when it comes to video editing. So, you will start by writing your script with the help of ChatGPT. The script you will later have to modify a little to be as well optimized as possible. After you have the script, you will have to record the audio part. You can do it yourself if you have a good microphone, or if for various reasons you don't want to do this, you can use tools like 11 Labs, which is an AI program with some of the most realistic TTS voices in the industry. For the thumbnail, you can use Midjourney or DALL-E. And now the pièce de résistance is Pictory. Pictory will be the most helpful tool when it comes to video editing. Simply enter the script you wrote, then choose a template for the video, wait a few minutes and that's it, your video is done. Also, if you think that your video needs small adjustments, you can do it very simply. You can change the images, videos, and sound, you can add stickers, emojis, text, background music, or even a text-to-speech voice, all this inside a single program, which will save you a lot of time, and which is definitely cheaper than hiring a team of freelancers. I leave you a link to the program in the description of this video so you can test it completely free of charge. Also, if you use the code in the description, you get a 20% discount on one of their plans. Step 6. Your first videos will probably be terrible, but you'll improve over time. By constantly analyzing the videos you post, you will know what to change in order to create a better quality video. Keep in mind that not every video will immediately take off. It's unrealistic to expect every video to perform exceptionally well. Instead, focus on the bigger picture and strive for continuous improvement. Embrace the mindset that measuring and analyzing your videos is a fundamental process for growth. Step 7. Repeat. To reach success you will have to repeat this process again and again. That is research, creating the video with everything that means script, voiceover, edit, title, thumbnail, and analyzing the video, to be able to understand what changes can be made to improve it. A term I always try to guide myself by is Kaizen, a word from Japanese culture that refers to continuous improvement, which can be applied both in the growth of a YouTube channel and in everyday life. I hope you found this video useful. In the description of the video you will find links to the programs I discussed in this video. And if you want to know how you can create viral videos with the help of artificial intelligence, check out this video because I'm sure it will help you.